Some people may find the length of strap given in the pattern is a bit too short for them and may wish to join a bit of extra fabric on to make the strap a bit longer. I suggest not seaming in the normal conventional way like that, which will give you a bulky piece in the middle of your strap, but rather cut at a 45-degree angle. Once you have it cut, then you lay it onto your strap, right sides together. You should put, if you're going to seam at 6 millimeters, which is what I'm going to do, that point there should be 6 millimeters from the edge there, or 1/4 of an inch, and then pin into place. And then go to your machine and stitch. Now you may notice I haven't interfaced yet. I just prefer to do the interfacing of this after I have stitched it and trimmed the seam, because I just find that that gives it a bit extra strength. And then you just trim your seam back.